Hello everyone, I'm Sindhura. So in this video, I would like to tell you about software construction tool called NetBeans. NetBeans is an integrated development environment for developing desktop, mobile, and web applications. It is free and open source IDE that is available for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS. NetBeans supports a variety of programming languages including Java, C++, C, and PHP and Python. So let's go through some of the features of software development like code editing. NetBeans provides a variety of features for code editing such as syntax highlighting, code completion, and error checking. Debugging. NetBeans can be used to debug code written in a variety of programming languages. It provides features such as step-through debugging, breakpoints, and variable inspection. Testing. NetBeans can be used to run unit tests and integration tests. It also provides support for code coverage analysis. Deployment. NetBeans can be used to deploy applications to a variety of platforms such as web servers, application servers, and mobile devices. And NetBeans has an active support developer community that contributes its ongoing development and provides resources for troubleshooting and learning. And it mostly supports Java development, and it has so many features and tools that offer for Java programmers. And it also supports web development and desktop development and mobile app development. So it is extensible, and also it has a plugins and extensions to tailor the IDE to the specific needs. And let's go through some of the features of NetBeans. NetBeans has a wide range of tools and functionalities to assist developers in software development projects. Here are the some of key features of NetBeans. Cross-platform support. NetBeans is compatible with multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, and Linux, ensuring that developers can work in their preferable environment. And then multiple language support. NetBeans supports various programming languages with strong emphasis on Java. It also provides support for C++, PHP, HTML, and more. It is a code editor and code navigation. Developers can easily navigate through their code base with features like go to definition and find uses, improving code readability and maintainability. Refactoring tools. NetBeans includes a set of refactoring tools that help developers restructure and optimize their code while ensuring it remains error free. And then it's a debugger. Like a powerful debugger allows developers to step through their code, set breakpoints, invisible variables, and diagnose and fix issues efficiently. And when version control integration, so it can integrate with popular version control systems like Git and then SVN, like such type of version control. It can integrate, and then Maven and support. So it provides a built-in support for Apache, Maven, and Apache Ant, making it easier to manage dependencies and build projects. And it also provides unit testings and also project templates. And then it is a GUI builder. For Java developers, NetBeans includes a powerful GUI builder that simplifies the creation of graphic user interfaces for desktop applications. And then for web tool, and they have so many web development tools. It supports features such like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and also it supports server-side scripting languages such as PHP. And then we have and mobile development also. It helps developers can use NetBeans for mobile development, including Android and Java micro edition. And then extensibility. NetBeans is highly extensible, allowing developers to create and install plugins. And then integrated development for Java effects. It also have tools for developing Java effects applications and profiler. It includes a profiler to help identify performance bottlenecks in applications. And then cloud and Docker support. It also it offers integration with cloud platforms and Docker containers. And it also have a active community The IDE benefits from an active and supportive community of users and developers, providing forms, documentations, and resources for assistance. And then let's go let's go through history of NetBeans. So NetBeans had its origins in student project called Selfie by CIS student Roman Stank in 1996. So in 1997, Stanek founded a company called NetBeans to develop the IDE further, and the first version of NetBeans was released in 1997, known as NetBeans 1.0, and then that 1.0 is only for the Java development. And then in 1999, Sun Microsystems recognized the potential of NetBeans and acquired by the company behind it. And then in 2000, NetBeans IDE 3.0 marked as a significant milestone, adding features like Java Beans, supported visual debugger, and more. And in 2004, NetBeans 4.0 is released, and this version introduced support for developing web applications using Java server pages and struns. And in 2005, NetBeans 5.0 brought enhanced support for Java Enterprise Edition development. In 2007, NetBeans 6.0 is released, and it has an integrated support for several scripting languages including Ruby and JavaScript. And it also introduced a NetBeans platform allowing developers to build modular desktop applications. And then in 2010, Oracle Corporation acquired Sun Microsystems in 2010, including NetBeans projects, and NetBeans became an Apache project. And in 2016, Oracle proposed donating NetBeans to Apache Software Foundation. The project was accepted, and the NetBeans became an Apache top-level project known as Apache NetBeans. Apache 9.0. It is released in 2018, and it continued to improve support for various programming languages. And now after that, Apache 10, 11, 12 came. So and then it provides better integration with build tools like Maven and support new Java versions. And then now it is like a present version is. Let's go through it now. Let's go through the plugins of NetBeans. So NetBeans offers a robust plugin system that allows developers to extend and customize the integrated development environment to suit their specific needs. These plugins enhance productivity and provide additional functionalities. The below are the some popular plugins like language support plugins. Java SC development enhances Java development with additional features such as code generators, refactoring tools, and support for various Java frameworks, C++ development, and PHP development, JavaScript, HTML, CSS development, Python development, and it also have version control plugins. Uh, like it can it has Git integration, which adds Git's functionality, allow developers to perform version control operations directly from IDE. And then SVN SVN integration offers subversion support for version control and build tools integration. It has a Maven integration, facilitates the management of Maven projects, dependencies, and builds. Gradle integration provides support for the Gradle build system, and integration supports the Apache and build tool. Database tools plugins. So it has a database explorer, allows developers to connect to databases, run queries, and manage database schemes. Web and framework plugins. Java EE development supports enterprises Java development with tools for servlets, JSPs, EJBs, and more. Spring framework supports provides features for Spring framework development. And then Hibernate support, it offers tools for Hibernate ORM, object or relation mapping development. So Node.js development, it also adds Node.js application development. And then GUI development plugins also there. and you also have testing and quality assurance plugins, and then cloud and container plugins. It Docker integration, so it facilitates Docker container management, and Kubernetes integration, provides supports for Kubernetes orchestration. And there are so many plugins, and let's go through installation and setup for NetBeans. After installing, then you'll get an finish option. Press this finish button. Now you'll get your Apache Beans on your desktop. Just click it. So this is, now let's go to the demonstration of this Apache NetBeans. So here to create a new project, you can just click a file and then new project, and then you'll get this up thing like Java. You have to create a project with Java with Maven, or Java with Gradle, or Java with Ant. It depends on your choice. Now I would like to create a Java project, and then it's like example one. Now click finish. Now here it creates a Java file. Now to print hello world, you can just, to run this one, you can just click run option here. Then it will run and you'll get a hello world in your output. Here it will shows how much it run, like it's 50%, or here it shows it got success and it is hello world. Now here in NetBeans you also have an option like debugging. Here if you click debug your project, here I've created a project example. So if I want to debug it, like debug the project, then you'll get debugging here. It will show yes it's success, and it will show how much time it takes to finish in and what time it will show. And this is the debug console, and you can add your dependencies or jar files here, and then you can refactor this one, and to navigate like which you can go to other files also. And here you have an option to add your tools or everything. Here you can find the plugin option. Here if I go for a plugin, you can see how many plugins are available. Like I have NetBeans Markdown and then PHP plugin and all. So how many are downloaded? I didn't download anything. You can add your plugin just by clicking the option add plugin, and then whatever plugin you want to add, you can just go to there and you can add your plugin. And then how many installed, you can see how many installed, and you can go through this plugin things. And then uh, you can go to an edit, and you can also open the existing files and you can run here. If you have any doubts or like any help you can need, you can just go through this option, and then you can go to this you can report issues if you find anything. Like you can click here and give your issues. And another feature is like there is an support option also, like community support. Then you can just click and you can see how already existing thing here. You can just accept this and you can go, if you go through this you can see it will give all community based. As we have seen features, variety of features of NetBeans in the demonstration, we can conclude that NetBeans serves as a versatile and valuable construction tool in context of software development. Thank you so much for your valuable time.